no. B, what's the forecast for today? Here we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm pretty sure you've heard the news. Life, as we know it on planet Earth, is doomed.
How many inches?
Stack up to around. Pull it up, please.
How many inches of snow? Damn it, how many inches?
Dear God. I'm sorry. I have to see my family. I just have to. Everyone, stay warm. Try not to die.
Try not to die. No, no, no. People of Texas, if you do not stay in your homes, you will die. I repeat, die. This is not a drill. Do not leave your houses. Them greedy ass niggas already emptied the store shelves anyway. And most importantly, watch out for the snow.
Don't come out.
It's everywhere. Tell Mom. I love her. No, we're all gonna die!
Can you relax, bro? It's just 3 inches of snow.
The snow is up to 3 inches, baby. Please don't leave.
Sure sounds like a lot of snow.
Why are you doing this? We have all the food and water we need. There's no point. Don't you understand? You'll die.
I'd rather die protecting my family than live knowing I couldn't.